Okay, here we're going to look at your pivot table. So I am using my James Cook University SS, all right, to this Excel spreadsheet, online one, all right, the browser based. And I already downloaded the COVID-19 data, all right, for up to 2020, year 2020, all right, by date. Okay, by date, and there's a lot of data here. Okay, so of course the first thing you need to do is you need to understand what your data actually represent. Okay, so let me go down to the, should be somewhere here. All right, so my data actually is up to here. Select all of it. All right, so the first row is the title, right, the header of the data, and go into insert pivot table. Okay, so I have the data. All right, I usually will use the new sheet, so I got a data sheet and a new pivot table on a new sheet. So just click this. Okay, and I will get a new sheet. Okay, down here, sheet 1. Of course I can change the name. The next thing I will need is what data do I want to extract. So there's a lot of data here. So maybe I will extract the year, like month. Okay, okay. Then probably the country. Okay, so it's trying to arrange everything. Okay, country, let's see what else. Cases, okay, death, okay, quite a number of people actually died from COVID-19. Okay, and pretty quickly, okay, you already have something on your sheet. Okay, pretty quickly you already have something on your sheet, and of course you can still, later on you can still play around with it. Right, later on you can still play around with it. So you have something over here. Okay, all right, now of course you can continue to filter, you can continue to sort it. All right, you can continue to play around with the pivot table. There are also let me close this, recommended chart. Okay, so it's recommending, okay, you can insert this particular true pivot table chart. All right, okay. Then if you want to insert a particular chart, just insert it in, all right, and see how it works on it. Okay, now of course this is just a quick view, right, of getting started with the pivot table, or in terms of the process. Okay, of course technically you should know what are what's the data or what's the information that you want, and then properly work out the detail inside the pivot table itself. Okay, so work with the data, right, work with the chart, okay, and hopefully you get some better insight, right, to the use of pivot tables to help you.